All right, guys, we got another video. We got a 2007 Lincoln Navigator with the 5.4. Has a really rough idle, and it comes up with the P022 code. So we changed out the camshaft position sensors, and that helped a little bit. But now we're about to change the solenoids, and that's how it idles.
All right, guys. So here we go. It's the Navigator with the rough idle, a whole lot of codes. And what fixed it was replace the solenoid. Replace the solenoid. I replaced both of them. This is what they are. This is what you got to take out. They go right here. They're all the way in like that. But the car was running really rough. You know, it wasn't none of the ignition coil. So if you get that code
P022,
the P022, that's it. The solenoid. So don't look at anything else. Change these. Now, if the Navigators have two type of valve covers. They have the ones like this. They use all the Navigators use the same solenoid, but the valve covers, some have a very round grommet like that. All right, so when you go to change them, obviously, if you're gonna do this, if you get the P022 code, is the solenoid. Change both, buy them online, because if you go to auto parts store, they're gonna rape you. And when I talk rape you, you're gonna be pregnant.
yeah, go to Rock Auto.
Yeah,
16 bucks.
Rock Auto, remember that, rockauto.com. Now, the only two discrepancies is some Navigators valve cover uses this. You can buy these online too, so make sure you look, and because some Navigators use this one. See how big it is? So the difference is, if you have this one, then you can actually get it right through here. You can get it right through that hole. But if you have this one, the smaller one, you have to take off the valve covers, both of them, which we did. It's not that big a job. It's a little bit of pain in the ass getting some of the screws out.
This side's definitely a pain in the ass.
But if you have the big one, then you're in luck. You can get it right through there with a T27. Just make sure you buy the solenoid with the screw that's attached, so it don't fall out. See how it doesn't come out? Make sure you buy a solenoid like that. But if you're gonna remove the valve cover, if you have the small one, it doesn't matter if the screw is attached or not, because you're gonna remove the valve cover. You can put it in there by hand. So that was the problem with the 5.4 liter when it's running rough and it's crazy sounding. All you gotta do is change these, and your car runs smooth again. Look how smooth it is compared to what it was before. It was like, it felt like the engine wanted to fall out the car. So that's all you gotta do. Change the solenoid and plug them back in, and you're all set.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe, man. Cause
we're on our way to 200 subscribers.
Yeah. I need that love.